Hi there, are you confused by all the different ways to make money online and how they all fit together? When I first started, I was, and I couldn't work out the best starting place. But don't worry, as I'm going to show you how it all pieces together, how and where to use AI, and the best blueprint to making multiple income streams and $10,000 per month. So, strap yourselves in. I make these videos to show you real ways how to make money, whether it be a regular daily income, making money online or passive income, and to find tried and tested methods that will increase your financial well-being. If you are interested in making multiple incomes, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. Now let's go. When I first started making money online, I was confused by all the different business models that existed and where to start. I wasn't sure how to leverage them to work together and make the most money across all of them. I was missing a strategy and how best to approach my journey for making money online. After watching endless YouTube videos, I was like a sailing boat in the sea with no wind in my sails to blow me on the right path. I needed someone to piece it together. After taking several online courses and starting to make money from various initiatives, I finally had a strategy in place that I could follow, and I'm going to share it here with you today. But before I do, there is one vitally important piece of information I need to cover. While I am going to share a blueprint that has several components on how to make money online, initially make sure you focus on one component. If you try to start more than one, then you will spread yourself too thin and not be successful in any of them. Choose your starting point and then focus on building an income from your first initiative. Once you have success in that, then you can expand out from there. Many people fail because they try something for a few weeks, get disheartened, and then move on to something else. In this video, I'm talking about building sustainable multiple incomes that are mostly passive and that will pay you for years to come. I'm not building a get-rich-quick scheme here. However, you can start making money quite quickly. In one initiative, I was making money after the first week, and in another, I was making money after week 5. What's more, in another I made $7,000 in my third month. Also, with the development of artificial intelligence, it is a lot easier to making money online than ever before, and to help, I'm going to show you which AI to use and where to use it in the blueprint. Now, this sounds like a cliche, but the very first thing you must do is decide on a niche. It is important to do this and to get it right. But remember, once you have a niche and are making money from it, then you can always branch out into other niches and apply the blueprint to this other niche. For your first niche, select something that you are interested in and that you will be able to build a business from. This is important because you will use this niche for many different ways to make money. There are several niches that are good for making money from: health and wellness, personal finance and investing, technology and gadgets, make money online, travel, beauty, pets and cars. For this video, I'm going to use health and wellness. Just remember that each niche can be focused into a sub-niche if you prefer. For example, in health and wellness, some of the sub-niches are weight loss, exercise, muscle building, or even target age groups, for example those over 50. So remember, you can narrow down in your niches in different ways that suit you most. Now that we have a niche, let's look at the components one by one and how they can be leveraged with each other to make more money. I will also highlight the particular AI that will take the heavy lifting away from you. In no particular order on the blueprint, I'm going to start with YouTube. Using our health and wellness niche, you can start a YouTube channel that can focus on something like a healthy diet and weight loss. In this channel, you can pick up on different approaches to healthy eating, for example, keto, and you could make videos about cooking healthy food. You could even cover different types of foods and ingredients. In addition, you might want to make it a video about your journey to losing weight. You can either make this channel a faceless channel or show your face on it. Either can be monetized through running ads on your channel. Some of the AI you can use here is ChatGPT for your script and content creation, And then for the video, something like in-video AI, which can create whole videos just from a prompt, or Pictory, which can piece together videos from stock footage automatically. Other AI video options such as VideoScribe can create animated videos too. Once you have uploaded videos, then vidIQ is a great piece of AI to help you maximise SEO and optimise your videos so they get the most views. All of these tools are covered in other videos on my channel, and I will put some links to them in the description below. The next component is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products and get paid a percentage of the sale proceeds when a buyer pays for a product using your affiliate link. There are two types of affiliate marketing, one that promotes physical products and one that promotes digital products. Sticking with our health niche, then you could find physical products on Amazon to promote through the Amazon affiliate program. This could be a wide range from health equipment to clothes. For other products, then there are things like keto supplements that can be sourced from online affiliate providers such as ClickBank, or you could even be an affiliate for digital products like online courses for exercise. You could make a YouTube video and post these affiliate links there. ChatGPT is great for affiliate marketing and writing copy for adverts or landing pages. There is also AI such as Ad Creative AI that can be used for quickly creating high converting ads. The next component is mobile apps development. With your niche, there are often opportunities to develop an app. Apps can be developed for all sorts of applications, and there are two methods of development. One is to use a coder to create and maintain an app, and another is what is called a no-code app development tool. With the latter, there are some great platforms, but the ones I am familiar with are Adalo, which is very robust, and Jotform, which is even easier to use. For our health niche, we could make an exercise app or an app for meal recipes. AI like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI can help with the content and the images. The next component is e-commerce. This is where you can set up a store to sell items online. These could be simple to produce stores for clothing and merchandise that can be created through print-on-demand companies. Platforms include Etsy, Shopify and Amazon Merch on Demand. The print-on-demand model is where you create a design, say a graphic for a t-shirt, and then you load this onto a print-on-demand supplied product. You then connect the product to your store, and every time someone orders a product, the print-on-demand company ships it out to them and you keep a portion of profit. The AI used here can vary from ChatGPT for helping write prompts and merchandise slogans, to Midjourney or Ideogram AI for graphics and designs. Canva with its AI is also a core AI product to use for e-commerce. In our examples for the health niche, we could use all this to design t-shirts, sweatshirts and items such as drink bottles. Again, these could be added to your YouTube videos for people to purchase or added to our e-commerce website. The next component is online courses. Online courses are a real growth market at the moment, and everyone making money online is producing a course these days. It is an important tool in the armoury of the blueprint. The main reason for this is that potentially this can be a big ticket item. In other words, you build the course once and then can charge a higher price than some of the other products you can sell, becoming a lucrative passive income stream. Courses can be built on platforms such as Teachable, which is very easy to use. Others include the tried and tested Kajabi and the even easier Thinkific. The AI that again can be used here is ChatGPT for scripting, and video AI software such as VideoScribe is useful creating nice and easy course content. However, a staple piece of AI kit for the course creator is Lumen 5. This is a powerful text-to-video conversion AI tool that can take ChatGPT outputs and create captivating videos that are the backbone of your course. In the case of our health niche, we could create various courses for different age groups around stretching, equipmentless home exercise routines and core strength. The next component is writing a blog. The scripts from YouTube videos can be repurposed to create an online blog, most likely on a website, But you can also blog on other platforms such as Medium, where you get paid when people read your blogs. By developing a simple blog on a website builder such as Squarespace, Hostinger or Wix that all have AI elements, you can monetize them in various ways. You can run Google AdSense on your website, which will pay you for ads placed on your website. You can add your affiliate links and even sell your e-commerce items. AI tools that are helpful for blogs are AI web builders like Hostinger and ChatGPT for content writing of the blog. Pictures can be created through Midjourney or Leonardo AI to make blogs more interesting. There are also SEO AI tools such as SEO.ai that will all help with ranking on Google searches. The final component is digital products. I have already touched on digital products, as courses are a form of digital products themselves, but here I am focusing on other simpler ones. There are also many other types of digital products. There are ebooks, PDFs, planners and others that can either be given away in exchange for email addresses or sold as products in their own right. There are also PLR products, which are digital products you can purchase and rebrand to sell to your customers. PLR products can save you time in creating and designing and potentially get you off to a fast start. In the case of our health niche, then we can create diet planners, cookbooks and exercise planners, and we can sell them either on our e-commerce website or via links on YouTube. Canva and ChatGPT are particularly useful AI tools for the creation and marketing of digital products, which can also be sold through funnels and landing pages. Canva has some good templates, and ChatGPT can be used to write marketing material that is engaging. Central to all these different components are the key activities of driving traffic to all the areas of your business ecosystem. This is either through building an audience on YouTube, a following in your blogs, or developing a social media following through Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Other platforms such as Pinterest and Medium are also great for developing a presence and monetizing your activities. Through these platforms you can either drive organic traffic via SEO and optimization activities, or once you're making money, you can market through paid traffic sources such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads. To build a sustainable long-term business, you need to build an asset that can future-proof your business should there ever be any issue with your income sources. The best asset that is central to this is the development of an email list. Through each of these activities you can capture email addresses through landing pages, giving free gifts and also when you sell products. This email list becomes your customer base to nurture, build trust and turn into an income source across your business by additional marketing activities. Once you have built a strong business around your niche, then you can repeat this with other niches to build out further income streams that will be passive and future-proof. But remember what I said at the beginning, do not try to do all this at once. This is a blueprint, so choose your starting point carefully that you can then focus on and do well and make good, solid, repeatable income from before expanding out. Your starting point should be one you will have a passion to pursue and also maybe have existing skills in already. I will be making more videos to deep dive into these components and make real how-to videos to help you on your journey. I hope that you've got a ton of value from today's video and it helps you with your online journey. If so, then please like and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.